everybody, WWE. Go check out my opinion of Cole Hawkins returning to WWE. I did upload it around like 3, but it didn't go on there until like 1 in the morning for some reason. I have no idea why. But today, I'm going to do something a little nuts. Okay, so we all know I have a trampoline, right? Well, I'm going to get on that boat and jump off of the boat onto the trampoline and do an elbow drop on that stretch can. Battleground review will be up tomorrow night around 12 or 11 or so. All you guys need to know is it will be up tomorrow. But anyways, let's get him situated. I gotta go get Kit Kat to record this for me, and then we'll do it. Hang in there. Put my glasses up. No, Shaylee, you get off. Shaylee, you get off. Off of it. You idiot. Pause it. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, that was an elbow drop. Hang on, I'll do that. Okay. Oh, yeah. Like the video, leave a comment, subscribe for more. Peace out, you can't see me.